Hello! Welcome to Ikeli Lila. This is my first video and I have something to read to you. I live in northern Italy and I'm a songwriter. My mother always had a strong passion about Africa and she shared it with me. So I decided to learn the wonderful Xhosa language, the one Nelson Mandela and Miriam Makeba spoke. Unfortunately, Mom doesn't live very close to me, so I decided to open a YouTube channel and share my progress with her. This is the way we will learn together as we were side by side here. So welcome and feel free to correct me because I'm happy to learn. Nisale kakuhle, which means goodbye. Where is the closing button?
Jamendo.com